Hey everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can easily upload your videos on your Pinterest app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, do share this video, and yeah, watch this video till the end so you can know all the steps and can do accordingly. So let's go. So you will go to your Pinterest app first, tap on it, and yeah, once your app is open you will see this plus icon below. Just tap on that icon, and as you can see these three options pops up. Tap on this idea pin option, tap on it, and here you can see all videos and photos option. Tap on this video option. Now you can upload a video up to 2 minutes. I will choose this video, and once you're done with your video choosing, then you can tap on this next button on top right corner of your page. Tap on it. This particular page will open up. Here you can edit your videos. You can resize it, you can cut the clips, add the clips, you can add text, you can add music, you can add sticker and draw on it or check the colors. So you will just beautify your video. Once you're done with that, then you can just simply tap on this next button on your top right corner, tap on it, and here you can write a title regarding what is it, how you want to post it. You can just type in your title, and then you can just write a description about your video. And if you tap on this pick a board, then you can just choose one of the boards that you have saved to your board, and then you can tap on this tag related topics. Once you tap on it, you can just search, and then if you like any of the topic, then you can just tap on that. If you don't want to tag any of it, then you can just go back, and then you can tap on this advanced setting where you can allow comments, and you will go back and just simply tap on this publish option, and this will give you this particular text article that an idea pin, only board selection and engagement settings can be edited. Make sure you feel good before you publish. So once you tap on that publish, and yeah, your video is uploaded now, tap on this see idea pin option, tap on it, and here you can see my pin is uploaded on my Pinterest. So that's how you can upload a video on your Pinterest app. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Do make sure to leave comments below, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.